Experience financial freedom. Join our prosperity workshop. Link in the pinned comment.
Hello, my lovely angels. How are you doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. Today, we are going to see how the next week is going to be for you. So, we have three options over here. Option number one is this beautiful bookmark, which says, "Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity." Then we have the second bookmark, which says, "Happiness held is a seed, happiness shared is a flower." And then we have the third bookmark, which talks about be the change you want to see in the world. So you can select any option that you're drawn towards. In case if you're confused, I'll quickly assign the date of birth. Okay, so for group 1, the date of birth is 21 to 31. For group 2, the date of birth is 11 to 20. And for group 3, the date of birth is 1 to 10. All right. So you can select your group by using this method as well. This week, I have shared two major readings. I've shared one major reading, which is three big changes next. And I want to share one more reading. So be tuned for that. And this is the weekly reading. So take care of yourself and let's see how your week is going to be. Okay. Hello, my lovely angels. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. Today, we are going to see how your coming week is going to be. So, if I've chosen this particular pile because of your date of birth or because of this bookmark, which talks luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity, no matter what, this pile has got a message for you. I somewhere feel that you are someone who believes that you need to work towards your goals and opportunity will come. However, your mindset has gotten affected, is what I'm getting. Okay. Beginning of the week. Mid of the week. Weekend. Okay. We'll also see Archangel Michael's message. Okay, this is not. Beginning of the week, you got Hanged Man. Mid of the week, 8 of Swords. And end of the week, 3 of Pentacles. So, in the beginning of the week, you need to think out of the box. You need to be creative. You need to kind of explore options as well. Letting go is going to be important. You may need to compromise something in order to gain more. The mid of the week, you may feel trapped. You may feel like a victim. Ensure that you are taking help and asking for support in the mid of the week, because this support and this help will help you to move ahead. The end of the week, you got 3 of Pentacles, which means there is going to be a lot of teamwork being put in, collaborations, cooperations in order to go ahead. People are going to observe you and there will be guidance available to showcase your skills in the right way. Ensure that you do that. Okay. Now let's see what message Archangel Michael wants to give you. So, my Prosperity Workshop is on, and in case you want to be a part of this workshop, you can click on the link given in the pinned comment. The first message Archangel Michael wants to give you, it's almost over. So, if you have been really, tired of the challenges that you have been facing, understand that it's almost coming to an end. Okay, so do not worry about it. Let's see a message from the yellow cards. Okay. You got over here blessing and a wish coming true, and you got self-employment. So a wish of yours is going to come true. Even if it is a small wish, be grateful for it. And if it's a big wish, celebrate it in your own way. You have self-employment. So some of you who are into corporate may think about starting a business. The ones who are into a business, you are going to understand that your struggles are almost over and things are going to look bright. Okay. Let's see what your book of answers is going to tell us. Assistance would make your progress a success. As I said, you need to take support, especially in the middle of the week. And look, the Three of Pentacles also talks about support, right? Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about the question and let me spin the wheel for you. You got better. So whatever you asked for, you are going to experience better. Wow, group 1. I'm so happy that the divine is sorting things out for you. So enjoy your week ahead. And in case if you want to know more about the prosperity workshop and change your destiny in terms of finances, you can visit the link given in the pinned comment. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello, group 2. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. Today, we're going to see how your week is going to be. Okay? So if you've chosen this pile because of this beautiful bookmark which says happiness held is the seed, happiness shared is the flower, which is speaking about kindness and sharing, okay? Or if you've chosen this pile because of the date of birth, no matter what, this particular pile has got a message for you. I'm also seeing that you're going to visit some sort of spiritual place or you are going to do something very spiritual that is going to help you in the long run. Okay. Beginning of the week. Mid of the week. And weekend. We are also going to see Archangel Michael's message for you. Moon, 9 of Pentacles, and 5 of Swords. So in the beginning of the week, you may feel emotional. Your intuition and creativity are going to be extremely high. So ensure that you're cashing on it. At the same time, some hidden enemies may come into your awareness. You may feel anxious. You may feel very moody as well. So ensure that you're taking the right support to process your emotions. Some of you may have your menstrual cycle, some of you, not all of you. All right. And yes, there will be this energy of, where am I going? What's happening? The mid of the week, you have got the 9 of Pentacles, which means you're going to receive recognition, fruits of your labor. At the same time, you may even end up buying luxury items. You're going to dress it out, rejuvenate. Abundance is going to be there in the mid of the week. At the end of the week, you may have arguments. There could be some sort of competition. Ensure that you are keeping calm and not getting affected by all this energy. Okay. Now let's see what Archangel Michael wants to tell you. So before I remove Archangel Michael's message, there is a prosperity workshop which happens once in a year. And if you want to really influence your financial story in a positive way, you can attend this session and have a nice future for yourself. Okay. You got someone new is coming. So Archangel Michael is telling you that there is going to be somebody new coming into your life as a friend, or if you're single, as a partner, or something new. Okay. And this new person coming in is going to bring in the most positive change into your life. All right. Now let's see what your yellow cards are telling you. Oh my God, too many of them. Too many. I can't take so many of them. Okay. All right. 2 of them flew. So let's consider them. We have got don't give up, keep going. Rewards and recognition. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Especially with the mid of the week. So definitely you're going to receive some rewards and recognition. And because of the 5 of Swords and Moon energy, do not give up. Keep going. Things are going to look better. Now let's see what your Book of Answers will tell us. Doubt it. Okay. So if your intuition is telling you not to trust something, do not write it off. Okay. Now let's see your Wheel of Fortune, what it will tell us. So think about a question and let me spin the wheel. Here got maybe. So it's a 50-50. All right. So work more towards your energy. Don't give up. Keep going and it will be a yes. All right, my lovely group 2, take care of yourself. Lots of love to you. Do visit the link in the pinned comment and take care. Bye-bye. Hello, my lovely angels. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. So if you've chosen this pile because of this card, be the change you want to see in the world or because of this date of birth, no matter what, this pile has got a message for you. So let's see what your cards are going to tell us about your week ahead. Okay. You need to be more vigilant and pay attention. Beginning of the week, mid of the week, end of the week. Okay. We'll also see your Archangel Michael's message in some time. Okay. All right. Interesting. You got 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So definitely there is this upward growth in this particular week. First, you got 3 of Pentacles. So you're going to really work with your team, collaborate, cooperate, and try to create something new. At the same time, you need to understand that showcase your skills with confidence. Do not doubt your skills. There are people who are watching you, observing you as well. The mid of the week, you are going to spend time doing spiritual activities, learning, teaching, sharing your knowledge as well. You may visit a spiritual place. People are going to look up to you. People are going to follow you as well. The end of the week, you have got 4 of Swords. You're going to rest it out because you have worked really a lot in the beginning and the mid. So you're going to rest it out. You're going to take it easy. You're going to be like, you know what? Let me just take one thing at a time. Some of you may also visit, okay? Some of you may visit an alternative therapist or you may go for a spa or a salon to rest and rejuvenate. Now let's see what Archangel Michael's message is for you. Before I remove this message, let me tell you that Prosperity Workshop is on. And if you want to be a part of this workshop, ensure that you click on the link given in the pinned comment. And yes, this workshop happens once in a year, so do not miss this opportunity. Let's see Archangel Michael's message for you. You got pray from the heart. Okay. It says prayers really can move mountains. Reach out to the divine with your heart's concerns and watch the miracles unfold, which means be honest to the divine, okay, without being disrespectful. You can tell exactly what you're feeling. You can tell what frustrations you're experiencing and the divine will listen to you, okay? At least you'll get some guidance. Let's see what your yellow cards are going to tell us. Okay. I'm going to take this. You've got formalities, authorities, and legal work. A lot of work you're going to do paperwork in this week. You've got belief. All right. So believe that great things are on their way to you and it will happen. Now let's see what your Book of Answers is going to tell us. It may be difficult, but you will find value in it. So yes, there will be value that you're going to find in whatever it is that you're doing. Though the path looks difficult, do not give up. Belief. Okay, belief. Let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question and let me spin the wheel for you. You have got a jackpot. So definitely you are going to hit a jackpot and that's going to be super amazing, Group 3. So Group 3, take care of yourself. Lots of love to you. And yes, do visit the link given in the pinned comment if you want to influence your financial story in a very positive way. All right, take care of yourself. Lots of love to you. Bye-bye.